keeping your roof in tip-top shape. Hi, my name is Maurice from A1 Roofing's KangaRoof, and today we're talking about roof maintenance tips every homeowner should know about. First, you want to make sure to clear any debris like leaves and tree branches that can trap moisture and lead to roof leaks away from your roof. The next thing you want to do is check your gutters regularly, say every 3 months, 4 times a year, to ensure that they're draining properly. Clogged gutters can actually cause water to back up underneath your roof and cause a roof leak. And finally, number 3, you want to inspect your roof for damage or missing shingles, especially after a wind or rainstorm. A small and quick repair now can prevent bigger issues down the road. If you'd like to get more information on roofing tips on keeping your roof in tip-top shape, or if you actually need a professional to come out and inspect your roof for you, we entice you to visit our website, KangaRoof.com, and let A1 Roofing's KangaRoof keep your home safe and dry. And thank you.